In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use the 3D rotate command in AutoCAD. By the end, you will know exactly how to rotate 3D objects cleanly and precisely around any axis using the built-in gizmo and a base point you control. Start by opening your drawing. Make sure you are looking at the part of your model that contains the 3D objects you want to rotate, so you can clearly see what's happening on screen. The 3D rotate tool is especially visual, so a good viewing angle helps you follow along more confidently. Next, type 3D rotate and press enter. AutoCAD will activate the command and display the 3D gizmo on your screen. This gizmo is your rotation handle. It includes 3 color-coded rings: red for the x-axis, green for the y-axis, and blue for the z-axis. You'll use these to define the direction you want to rotate around. Now, select the objects you want to rotate and press enter to confirm your selection. You can click individual solids or surfaces, or use a window selection if that's faster. Once confirmed, the gizmo will anchor to your selection. Ready for the next step, specify a base point. This is the pivot point for the rotation, the spot that stays fixed while everything else turns around it. Click a point on your model that makes logical sense for your edit. For example, you might choose a corner, a center, or any feature that should remain in place. If object snaps are active, feel free to snap to a precise point like an endpoint or midpoint for accuracy. With the base point set, choose the axis of rotation by clicking one of the gizmo's rings. Pick the red ring to rotate around the x-axis, the green ring for the y-axis, or the blue ring for the z-axis. Think about which direction you want the object to swing. The axis you choose defines that path. Finally, set the rotation angle. You have 2 options here. You can move your mouse to rotate visually and watch the object update in real time, which is great for quick adjustments. Or, for exact control, type a specific angle and press enter. Positive and negative values both work. So entering 90 or -90 is a fast way to make quarter turns. Angles are in degrees, and you'll see the result immediately. That's it. Thanks for watching.